In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Kling AI. If you use a shared computer, jump between work and personal machines, or just like to keep your sessions clean, signing out is a quick way to protect your projects and account settings. I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can do it confidently the first time, and I'll point out a few things to watch for along the way. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the Kling AI app at app.klingai.com/global. This is the main workspace for their next-gen video and image tools, so if you're already signed in, you'll land on your dashboard or project area. If you see your recent work or the creation interface, you're in the right place to sign out. If you're not signed in, you're effectively already logged out and won't need to do anything else. Now look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see a small menu control with 3 dots. It's the More Options menu. It may sit near your profile area, workspace name, or other navigation icons. On wider screens, it's typically pinned along the left sidebar. On smaller windows, the sidebar can feel a bit compressed, so take a moment to locate that tiny 3-dot icon. When you find it, click it to open a compact menu. This menu houses account-level options. Think of it as the place for quick actions that affect your session rather than individual projects. If the interface has recently updated, the 3 dots may be stylized, but it will still appear as the bottom left options control. In the menu that opens, look for the Sign Out option and click it. The moment you do, Kling AI will end your current session. You'll be taken back to the global or sign-in page, confirming that you're logged out. That's all there is to it. Your account remains intact, your work is saved to the cloud as usual, and you can sign back in anytime from the same address. If you were switching accounts, this cleanly closes one session so you can log in with another without confusion. To recap in one smooth flow, open the Kling AI app in your browser, click the 3 dots at the bottom left, and choose Sign Out. It's a small action with big security benefits, especially if you're stepping away from a shared device or wrapping up a session in a public space. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to sign out of Kling AI quickly and safely.